Training process involves several steps like defining organizational objectives and strategies, assessment of training needs, establishing training goals, devising the training program, implementation of the program, and evaluation of the results. Several barriers impede the effectiveness of training, and there are ways of removing them. There are several initiatives for career planning. So, when you are looking at career planning, career is progress or general course of action of a person in some profession or in an organization. Elaborating further, career includes the specific jobs that a person performs, the kinds of responsibilities and activities that comprise those jobs, movements and transition between jobs, and an individual's overall assessment of and feelings of satisfaction with these companies of his or her career. Career planning is a process whereby an individual sets career goals and identifies the means to achieve them. Where the organization intervenes in planning, it becomes organizational career planning. In other words, organizational career planning is the planned succession of jobs worked out by a firm to develop its employees. Another related term is career development. Career development refers to a formal approach used by the firm to ensure that people with proper qualifications and experiences are available when needed. We focus on career development. Career development benefits both employees as well as organizations, as properly developed employees are better equipped to add value to themselves and to the company. Every organization needs to have career development program and integrate the function with other HR activities. Integrating career development with other HR programs create synergies in which all aspects of HR reinforce one another. Integration should not be difficult. For example, in planning careers, employees need organizational information that strategic planning, forecasting, succession planning, and skills inventories can provide. Similarly, as they obtain information about themselves and use it in career planning, employees need to know how far they can climb in the ladder of hierarchy within the organization and how management views their performance. We are going to look into the career development initiatives. Organizations devise and implement several initiatives in order to develop their employees' careers. More significant of them are career planning workshops, career counseling, mentoring, sabbaticals, personal development plans, and career workbooks. Career planning workshops are structured workshops available to guide employees individually through systematic self-assessment of values, interests, abilities, goals, and personal development plans. During workshops, employees are made to define and match their specific career objectives with the needs of the company. Generally, these workshops are designed to guide individuals to figure out their strengths and weaknesses, job and career opportunities, and necessary steps for reaching their goals. Suggested steps help organizations initiate appropriate action plans. Career counseling helps employees discuss their career goals in one-to-one counseling session. Along with goals, other variables identified are capabilities, interests, and current job activities and performance. While some firms make counseling a part of the periodic performance appraisal, career counseling is usually voluntary. Career counseling may be provided by the HR staff, managers, supervisors, or consultants. Mentoring involves coaching, advising, and encouraging employees of usually lesser ranks. Mentor is an important aid in the development of an employee or protege such as greater job satisfaction, organizational commitment, and attainment of higher salary and career progress. Mentoring is also valuable for improving the job involvement and satisfaction of the mentor. Sabbaticals are temporary leaves of absence from an organization, usually at a reduced amount of pay. Periodic leaves or sabbaticals help employees in terms of refreshing their learning and rejuvenating their energies. Personal development plans. During these time, employees write their own personal development plans. Such plans include development needs and action plans to achieve them. A personal development plan could be the nucleus of a wider career plan, such as setting out alternative long-term strategies, identifying one's long-term needs, and setting out a plan for self-development. Career workbook consists of questions and exercises designed to guide individuals to figure out their strengths and weaknesses, jobs and career opportunities, and necessary steps for reaching their goals. Many workbooks are tailor-made for a particular firm and can be completed in several sessions. Workbooks generally contain organization's career policy, career options available in the organization structure, and job satisfactions along the career ladder. Till now, the discussion on career development centered around the role of organization in designing and implementing initiatives to develop employee careers. It does not mean that the employees are passive spectators. They too have a role to play. In today's organizations, individuals are responsible for initiating and managing their own careers. It is up to each individual to identify his or her own knowledge, skills, abilities, interests, and values, and seek out information about career options in order to set goals and develop career plans. Managers, on their part, should encourage employees to assume responsibility for their own careers, offering continuing assistance in the form of feedback on individual performance and making available information about the organization, about the job, and about career opportunities that might be of interest. We can also think, have you ever thought about your career planning? What do you want to be 5 years? Hence, 10 years, and hence, did anyone counsel you?